What's going on, folks? This is Webski, your digital marketing buddy. Today, I'm going to tell you how to convert your organic traffic into leads and customers. These techniques will help you squeeze the most out of your website. Without further ado, let's roll. You probably put a lot of effort into creating content for your website to make it grow and acquire more traffic. As we know, quantity doesn't always come along with quality. So you expand your content with new keywords, bringing you more traffic, but not necessarily more conversions at the end of your funnel. Let's say you've got a few evergreen articles on your blog that are the primary sources of organic traffic. A solid part of your visitors, after reading your article, will just leave the website.
This is a story of the bounce rate. Don't you know what it is? Let me translate.
Some of them will follow through and get down your marketing funnel. But how to recover the lost ones? You can use the technique that is called content upgrade. Here's the thing. Create an additional piece of content related to your primary blog post. It can be anything, a checklist, a report, a template, you name it. This should add value for the visitor on top of the initial content. The next step is to inform your audience they can get this totally for free. You can do it in a few ways. First, add a link or a banner in the top half of your article. Some of the visitors may not go through the entire piece, so make sure most of them will see it. Others may go through the whole article, so you can repeat the call to action at the end of the article too. Probably a graphic will do better because it stands out from the rest and will catch the attention of those who just scan the text. The link or banner should lead to a dedicated landing page or trigger a pop-up that will show up on top of the content. Besides adding elements a visitor can click on, you can set a pop-up that will be triggered automatically. After a certain amount of time, like 10 seconds after entering the page or after scrolling a certain amount of the page, let's say after 50%. Or you can use it on exit intent and make it the last chance to take advantage of your content upgrade. Of course, you should make this content gated, which means someone needs to fill out the form, giving you at least an email address. After a visitor fills out the form, I recommend sending them an autoresponder with a link to download the freebie. You could put it directly on a thank you page, but to get better leads with real data, it's better to send the link in the email message. This way, if someone put a fake email address, they will not get the extra content. It's a win-win situation because the visitor gets something extra totally for free, besides giving you their data, and you get a sales lead who is potentially highly interested in a topic related to your product or service. Take a look at some examples I've been using. Landing pages promoting such content upgrades can hit spectacular results. This is it. Thank you for being with me in this episode. Go ahead and create content upgrades for the most promising articles on your blog. Let me know in the comments which way of converting visitors into leads works best for your business. If you would like to be always up to date with new coming episodes, give me thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Until the next time.